Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on these Allergy Smart. These are Allergy Smart cookies. They're vegan, safe, free from top 10 food allergens. So look at that. You got no eggs in there, gluten, tree nuts, eggs, dairy, all that stuff is gone. So we're gonna do. I got these on sale, and we're gonna do a review. There's 3 different types. And they're actually quite small. So if you look at this. This is their, what is this? This is the double chocolate. This one here is the oatmeal raisin. This one here is their snickerdoodle. So I'm going to do a review of each of them. So in multiple videos. So this one we'll do the double chocolate. So if you guys want to read the ingredients, pause the video. So I'll read some of it. It's oat flour, brown sugar, cane sugar, some chocolate chips, and Himalayan salt, vanilla extract. Yeah, so you guys want to read that, pause it. Let's do a quick taste test. I'm going to open it up. Okay, that's what they look like. So there's 2 cookies in there per little bag. Let me remove this. That's what they look like. Okay. Okay, so they're not super soft. They are kind of hard, but not crunchy. Slightly tender, kind of sweet, and they sort of melt in your mouth. They don't really hold together that well. Other than that, they actually taste pretty good. If you can, if you're okay with that. The chocolate taste comes through pretty good. Yeah. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the reviews of the other ones.